Hi, let's discuss symbol table. You can say symbol table is an abstract data structure used by compiler to store information about identifier used in the program. In program, there are lots of identifier. That information we can store in symbol table. Starting from lexical analysis till target code optimization, every phases can interact with symbol table. At any phases, whenever any identifier detected, it will store in the symbol table. Mainly first two phases, they store information into symbol table, and rest of the phases, they use information from the symbol table. So what is the advantage of symbol table? It allows to find record for each identifier quickly and store or retrieve data from that record. So we can easily search any identifier from the symbol table. We can store, we can retrieve data from the symbol table. So what information of identifier we can store in symbol table? Like you can store name, value, type, size, offset or address, then scope, lifetime, token, other information. And which function we can do on symbol table? Like you can insert data into symbol table, we can modify, we can look up means search, or we can delete. So you can insert, modify, search or delete on symbol table. Which data structure it used for storing and retrieving information? In case of linear search, running time is order of n. In case of binary search, running time is order of log n. And in case of hash function, running time is order of 1. So lowest running time for searching is hashing. The symbol table uses the hash table as a suitable data structure due to its fastness and lookup operation. We can search fastly due to running time is order of 1. But in case of linear search and binary search, running time is order of n and order of log n. But in case of hashing, running time is order of 1. Due to fastness, we use hash function. Let's see a sample symbol table like here line number, then name, then value, then type, then size, then offset, scope, lifetime, token and other information. It is just a sample table. Like line number you can consider 1, 2, 3. Then suppose some data is A, B, C. Then A value is 10, B value is 20, C value is 30. Then data type. This is integer, integer, integer. Then size. It is size of integer. Offset or address. It always start from hexadecimal. I consider randomly some address. Then scope, whether local scope or global scope. Then lifetime, whether function lifetime or program lifetime. Then token name, ID1, ID2, ID3 and other information. You can store some other information. Every phases can interact with symbol table. First two phases they store information into symbol table and other phases they use information from the symbol table. And you can do four function and symbol table like insert, modify, search and delete. We use hash table as a data structure for constructing symbol table. This is all about symbol table. In next lecture, I will discuss error handling. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thank you.